Welcome to the show. My name is Princess JJ, still the one, part two of the story of one of my friends that I had gone to visit. I think Nali Vamu town. So I went there to visit her at campus. Um, and then I found her. She wasn't that, bad. We laughed. All my friends, like, we all have vibe. So we started laughing. By the way, but if you know me, I'm a very interesting person. Like, free. I'm a free person. If I have done something wrong to you, say it, I apologize, and then life moves on. That is how I am. And people who know me, they know me. I don't keep things on my heart. And I don't want always like to have things. So I'm going to see my car friend, but of course you have, this so I'm sorry. Manyo kwenda company main. Those are the problems you do get. So background. So ningena ninkalapa kone kakamba, how are you, my darling, how is that, like, you, like, it was all fun, like, because she was so excited to see me because I was going somewhere. So we talked. It was a lot of fun. After that, I was like, oh, I went to her hostel as well. Then she was like, but along the way when I was moving, because by that time ina guy ngamukwana. So nangamba, you come and show you to that guy as my friend. I was like, oh, it's fine. Netugenda guy, I think he was a literary, yeah. Kati guy yali agenda in United States. Naye ng'alikola ku mpapula as a refugee. So we're there, nangamba tugende, nemugamba ye ebyo byenjagalira ddala, let's go. Nga tugenda ngambeerawo because she didn't want to meet the guy ngaki ngali yekka because yangamba jeje nze sagala meeting ono guy. I was like, okay, kambeerewo ng'omu meetinga because agenda kuba alina ebigambo bitono then amala akole ki agende because woba oli weka musajja ayogera n'olya ng'obikoye, like a guy can talk n'olya nga naye obeera with another person ate namugamba call me your elder sister kuba ye mutonoko. So netwogera guy najja netwogera nangamba how are you, netwebuuza as usual, like how are you, I'm fine, I'm the big sister, I've come to visit her at campus biki nembeera omwana omukulu wayo tegeera. So after guy nagamba okay, I have to leave biki was like nengamba my friend nemugamba, are you not going to escort? Nangamba no. By the way, omwala graduating, you're graduating, she graduated last year, yeah. So I was like, wanga campus yes jajogera naye nga we weren't at the same campus. So nangamba, thank you for coming, nemugamba it's okay biki. But me personally, I didn't know because I knew his boyfriend. So I didn't know that they separated and I didn't know why. So nangamba like whom are you dating right now? Nemugamba nze ndi free, sina guy, I'm just there. You know me. You know me, I'm wechira ate sagala stress. Nemugamba, how about you? Nangamba nowadays I no longer want things of love. Omanyi yali is very soft nti ayagala gwe mukwano yemole, excuse me, sorry, ayagala gwe mu mukwano yemole, you understand, abere mukwemola abantu bamulabe, like, okay, she has this caring soft heart nti wagwa mukwano ne guy asobola n'okufumba ng'ayogera naye, asobola n'okufumba ng'ayogera naye, buli kimu nakikola ng'ali ku ssimu. Ate me, I'm not like that. Me, I can't talk on phone that much. I can give someone like for 30 minutes. I think it's enough for me. I don't know, but for her, she can even cook ng'ali ku ssimu, asobola n'okunaaba ng'ali ku ssimu, nga essimu eri mu bathroom, it's just at a loudspeak ng'ayogera ne guy. So like even other friends bali bamumanyi beyagala ne gundi, they are okay. Omanyi ebintu bya campus nga every week nga muntu akuwayo ka 50 oba 70 oba 100, it's really kawa. Campus bintu birala mukko, era gwe mwenna omwana ali okujoininga campus come walo knowing naye bakuwa pocket money osobola mu managing obulungi noba nga toyina kawu babaita kewu. We used to call it kewu in high school, yeah. Noba nga toyina kewu, you understand. So it's all about how you do what, how you organize yourself and how you plan for your money. And at campus, I advise you don't borrow money. Things will be worse. So this guy used to care about this babe. Everyone used to know. Mukwano gwange ayagala ne gundi ngabe yagala ngamusindikira ka pocket money because omuwala like ewaabwe baali ba neighbors nga olaba nti osula ntinda gaya kwana apangisa ntinda, something like that. So bwe bito we byali. So munange nga gaya akola ki nga babeerawo. So but of course nga wenkugambe along the way oyinza obanga olina gaya akwana ku campus, oyinza okubanga olina sugar daddy akwana ate nga olina ne real boyfriend gwoyagala. So that is how things are. Sagala mwesirwaze mbu temubimanyi, you get. So that's what she told me, and to me I know it's there. So waliwo this guy who used to be on this girl, Ngamba, I love you so much my baby girl, you're such adorable, you're such amazing, bichi oshitegera nenga ina noli gwayagalira ddala omuvubuka. Okay, let me just use names. Yayina oli era tebajja kwetegeera, yayina oli nga alina n'omukulu amukwana. So nga even his friends, her friends nga bakimanyi nti beeyagala, they are okay with the guy, bakola buli kimu. So ne twogera. So when we are going back home, ne mubuuza what's the matter. Nagamba, you know what, I don't want any more relationship. Nagamba yasooka n'okunimba nagamba omanyi nina bye mbaddemu awo naye twekyawa naye it doesn't make sense. But then me, I was like, it's okay, because me, I always say from the horse's mouth, and I don't want to speak on behalf of anyone. So if you tell me something and it is literally lies, nze sijja kukayanya kugamba mbulwaki onimbye kubanga nemba nkirabako nga n'omutakiraba nti olimbye omuntu like siso akudaone nga wanimbye, era me, I will take it as you've said it. So along the way we try to die waka nangamba, you know what, I think twasoka tuuka waka nangamba kati omanjeje ngena kuluimbulula ngena kugamba the whole truth about what really happened between me and my guy. I was like, okay, mpaka ate bebe byenjagalira ddala, njagala olugambo. Nesi uno olugambo lwagundi njagala luno lwa stories olwo ntuula noyemba nnache ngenda okukola nonkubira nkugamba kuleka nga si papers ojja kunkubira nga ngenda mu paper mukwano sijja kufaako ate onyiigire bwereere. So she was like, you know what, Jeje, I'm into heartbreak, I'm in depression. Nemugamba, we have been teething with you, we have been laughing, we have been praying around, like we've been all over, so what's the problem? Nangamba, he told me about how the story began. Nangamba had my guy buli kimu nga kiri bulungi nga obadde okimanyiko nze ye. Nangamba waliwo guy omu sugar daddy ankwana, musajja mufumbo ko nze wanje taata. Nangamba iye ankwana. Nemugamba ogambye ki? Nangamba iye yali ankwana. So since yali ankwana nenkola ki? One day nansaba tugende e Jinja. Tugende Jinja. By the way, I've never gone to Jinja. I don't know even how Jinja looks. Chovala wera sirina bizibu bingi. So yamusaba bagende ke Jinja. I think they used to go out, maybe Kololo, Ntinda, even other places that I don't know. So namugamba bagende wa e Jinja. I don't know what happened in Jinja kuba nange teyabingamba. Nangamba we bagende Jinja, bad enough basangayo mikwano gya boyfriend wo oli omutuufu. Jugino yali ampereza nga wonagamba, let's go and chill, hang out, and you know. Ne basangayo mikwano gya boyfriend wo mutuufu, ne bakwata obufaananyi ne babupasula ne bamusindikira. Zali ziwera saa nga 11 awo guy nga akuba essimu ng'amubuuza, hey, where are you? And then the girl, kubanga mu masimu gaffe, by the way, oba tokimanyi gwe kata kimanyi, osobola ateekamu codes nga n'obeera ng'oli mu kifo ekiwoggana kitya nga ye tasobola awulira kintu kiri mu background, awulira nga wali silent. Abawala ezo codes kati ze bakozesa kitegeera. So bali mu kwenjoyinga. I don't know what they did there. I don't want to cut the word. Simanyi bye bali bakola eyo. I repeat myself. Sagala mukwano gwange nyiigire story bati we bagimpadde. So she didn't tell me about what they were doing there. Naye, yeah, of course, Jinja bagendayo kulya ku fish, kulya ku bulamu, something like that. And I don't know whether but I don't think nti bebakayo. So na mikwano je, nadam namugamba where are you? Namugamba I'm at home. Namugamba you're at home? Namugamba yes. Nakuba video call mwana nagano kwata. Namugamba I'm at home, I've just woken up. Omanya abana abo bwala twagala face okubanga bulabika bulungi. guy nasirika nagamba you at home namugamba yes nagamba give me this person namugamba taliiwo like ng'omuntu onagamba mpa ku maid njogereko naye kogo oyagala mugamba ki okukakasa oba omuntu oyo gwatera okwogera naye ng'amuwulira mu background. So because guy we yali amanyi kati nga wamugamba amu jeje ayinza omugamba hey nga simuwulira wayogera or say let me say hi to jeje you get girls codes mubimanyi. So the girl was like oh nduwonye so ne bavuga ne batuuka waka. So when they reached at home guy namukuddamu namukwesa namugamba where have you been today mwana namugamba I've been at home even he called me nengamba I'm at home omanyi obeera mu nsobi weekaza kubanga you have to prove a point that what I'm what I'm saying is true because you are also learning from men how they kwekaza how they can be dry. So this chick was like I'm at home and I told you babe like I've been at home and she was really so guy nalemera ku mwala nachopingana namwe what can't you know like I've told you I've been at home. Guy nasirika teyamuddamu playing a very cool namuterako obu pictures ku simu chup ne ka video. Omuwala yagenda okwepeninga bw'atyo yangamba I wanted to faint ng'obufaananyi babumuwadde kati awo nekubusamu akafaananyi ngamba naye kati omuntu oba omulimbye awo oba ozzaako ki ddala oba ozzaako ki nemugamba namugamba kale we went there but we did nothing we are just in ginger we are just doing nothing omwala neyeyogerako okitegera but remember I know ayina abamukwanako campus ate ayina ne outside oyo guy ayina ne sugar daddy okitegera bonna bakwana omuntu ogu that's why I told you guys when you come into campus be keen and I repeat myself be keen because you do mistakes for nothing. And the reason why I'm saying this story, I want you to learn from it. Because she was like, yeah, broadcast it. I know most of the girl will learn from my story. However much I can't speak the name. So, she was like, okay. Namgamba, I'm sorry. But look, mwana nangamba, guy naye abadde amuchitingako with another person. Era we yabigwamu, guy nakola chi, neyetonda. Weyetonda kati omwala na apologize nagamba no I didn't sleep over there the guy just took me there for just because you had to open up kati obulimba buba buweddewo like you have to be now in real sense omuntu yena ategeera kubanga obakusindikira ekifaananyi bajaga bakikoze editing naye tekisoboka video ng'obuukabuuka mu musenyu yeah. So omuvubuka nagamba omwala nagamba yes nabaddeyo naye guy we did nothing guy ankwana biki omwana neyoza akaze normal usual things kubanga toyina kukireka hanging like that and you need the guy ali supportive abadde akulabirira like angakwayo ku busente nawe batakuwa nyingi nnyo naye ngakwayo ku busente. And then this babe was like he was that guy yeko omuwala gwe yali abeera naye like it's the only guy that she was staying with like she was with in all the people. So abawala bali kuchina ngesimanyi and I don't want to cut the word sagala wata kigambo. So the girl apologized to the guy namugamba I'm sorry byonna bibaddewo naye nsonyiwa bichi but we didn't do anything like bedroom affairs, we didn't do anything. The guy, it was really hard to believe, but then the girl was like okay, it's now a draw since you cheated on me I was cheating but I didn't go for bedroom affairs, it was just knowing each other and that's all. And then the guy was like okay, that's okay. Never reconciling like never gamba okay yeah buli omu abadde mu nsobi, you've done your part, I've done my part and we are all sorry, then let's do the things together, like let's recover our love together as if it's new. They approached to each other buli omu n'ategeera ensobi ya munne, they were like okay, then that is okay. So nga tutambula nebaddewo ne bakwatagana bulungi, but things weren't good because omanyi aba guys they don't want to cheat on them, though for them they want to cheat on us. But yangamba nti bali tebakwatagana, like things weren't good than before because even this guy used to complain together, they used to complain rachi naye ate kyemwebazaako this girl, she didn't share her password because bajja bakompola emitwe. Hey, they'll give you what you want. People who share passwords bajja bawa byemusaba byemwagala. So the guy used to complain because the girl is very cute. Ngagamba abasajja bakukwana bichi it was a lot. So this girl was like ne tuddawo nenga the love wasn't the same because you know guy akuguddemu kati ebintu bifuuse nagala see things are not that good, but then you have to push the relationship to go ahead. So along the way ngabali mu relationship I put myself, I think guy yatena ngokujja ku campus namulabangako, they go somewhere ebimusagala byogera, but they used to go somewhere. That's what they used to go somewhere, they have fun, they eat, because now muzeewo muli kyekimu. So along the way guy nafunisa omwana w'abandi olubuto. It is the first time for her to be pregnant. Omwana yali takimanyi, but I think signs were there. Ngawulira bubi, teyawulira bulungi, so something like that. Teyawulira bulungi, so nagamba wange, let me go and check why am I like this. Shitegera. Nagenda neyekebeza. She found out ngali pregnant. This is where the film starts. We yakitegera nti ali lubuto, ate nga abadde talina muntu yenna gwakola naye, like she wasn't jumpy, because remember oli guy okuzayeko emabega, oli guy omukulu we bali basolvinga issues. The girl wanted to prove a point to the guy that agenda namu blockinga, era omuwala nakola ki namu blockingirawo. Segera ko inolaga nti it was just byali bade bitandika, ate guy simwagala, just segera namu blockingirawo, era sugar daddy nagenda mu kiblock, nagenda mu block. I don't know why adamunga okuba amasimu kuba yamugamba I have my boyfriend, kwanga these guys have a tendency of telling you mukubire nga ali ku loud mpulire. Omwala namukubya namugamba I'm here, I want to tell you that whatever was going on between you and I, it's done. I have a boyfriend, he's called so and so, we are in love and we are preparing to get married anytime soon if God allows. Ngai nawulyanga ashitegera. So afuna olubuto, of course I notegeza daddy baby nti I'm now pregnant, and what are we going to do? Kati omwana ajukira akyali ku campus akyasoma. Ate nowadays girls, they don't want to get pregnant. Abamu bagamba nogamba at least to get HIV naye nga tebafunye ki lubuto. That is what I hear. So munange this babe ngagamba guy ngagamba what are you going to do? Ngamubuza are you ready? Ngamuwala mugamba still ready for pregnancy, I'm still at school, my parents are still taking care of me, so if I produce now things are going to be worse. It was a long shit story. And then the guy was like, okay, how much do you want? But remember, Eddie heartbreak Eddie cheating jamteka mugai teyerabira. So namugamba how much do you want? Namugamba sentence yali amugamba. Guy ngamanyine je bagiramu embuto. Surprisingly, he knew where. Namugamba there is a place I know around I'm not going to speak that place. Around let me speak around Boyogerere, Bolwa bajamu embuto, something like that. So bagenda kwa bakuyambako okujjamu olubuto. Ngamuwa sente ngumala yesula mudene. The girl went nafuna aba doctors naye anyumiza story angamba we bali bagenda mujjamu olubuto olwo yafuna conscious, like yali tali mu mbeera ze, yali amanyi nti naafudde n'okufa. Shitegera, because I think bakuleka mu mbeera nga toli mu normal sense. That is what she told me, because me have never tried. So bakulekera mu mbeera, like that is because I think oba namubuuza oba yali bamuyita batya, I think it was babita batya, how do they say it, I think yali caliform. Nangamba no, balina bye bakukuba n'ovaako naye ng'owulira naye nga you unconscious. Namugamba wanje, nangamba yes. Nangamba ne bakola byonna bye baakola ne bamuwa eddagala n'agenda ewaka. We yagenda ewaka yaddayo okubaga tosobola kuddayo ewaka, ogenda bagamba oli mulwadde, kiki ekikuluma? Kiki ekikuluma? Hey, ate abazadde b'abantu bakambwemuko. Kitegera ebyo n'ebyo muba mupatinze ways. So they naddayo ku hostel, but nangamba by that time we yaddayo ku ssomero yawulira bubi. Naye the surprising part yeno nti guy we yamala okitegera nti omuwala agyemu olubuto, guy teyafaayo nti oba amukubira amugambe how are you, kubanga bali mu relationship babiri. Joba mukubira mugamba oli otya wewulira otya guy ng'asirika shigera nga tayogera kintu kyonna. That is how girls are being used. Nga guy asirika tayogera kigambo kyonna ng'asirika nga wamukubira namugamba njagala sente ng'oluusi takwata na simu. Remember olina depression y'okujja mu lubuto tewewulira bulungi because by that time I think you need someone that understands you. Remember abaana abasoma nabo mikwano gye tasobola bagamba kuba nange teyangamba after nga bintu nawe bifuuse too much. She needed a person to talk to by that time, and then I was there. So nangamba gaite yafaayo, gaite yalina kyeyakolawo, just yamuwa sente and that's all. Nemugamba wanje nangamba yes. Nangamba n'ekirala nangamba gaite ya taking a time yembu nakukubira kugambe oli otya. Nemugamba naye bannange, people to be honest, kati senga wafiiraawo okitegeera. So nemugamba jukira bali babadde mu relationship ng'omuwala ayagala nnyo guy. Kyekyo nagamba nti guys batukubisa bwongo ate ffe tukozesa mitima. That's where the problem comes in. So omuwala n'akola ki? Omuwala n'abeerawo naye nga yaŋŋamba litini yo yakyukamu kubanga it was her first time to do it. Kati yawulirira ddala nga takisobola nakyebeera ng'amanyi nti no buli omu yenna ku campus ategedde nti yaggyemu olubuto. Ng'era oluva omuntu yalinga ali shosho mu baana ng'oluva mu class agenderawo straight kuki mu hostel ye ng'oluusi aba tayagala nakujja mu hostel ku campus oluusi nga ye omanyi okwesegregate like nga she separates herself from other people nga she doesn't want to stay with people because she felt so bad nga tuluusi mikwano gye bamulemerako ng'amala gagenda naye nga tasobola bagamba what she's facing because among the friends you do have olina okumanya ani ali akwongerako and there are some friends betumanyi kati we bategeera kati nga abaana batandika omubuuza mikwano gye toka how is this guy, how is Isaac, hope Isaac is fine biki namugamba we should open up because before yali nga abalaga stories ze nga babeerawo boogera omanyi okubawo nga mwogera n'emikwano gye kamobile money kati from where nga museka bannaye bantereddeko ATM entereddeko okitegeera we call them ATM bantereddeko akasente nga mwena mbeera excited nga banaga mama you get. That was the vibe. So friends nga ne waba akubye simu ababuuzaako you get. When your friends are some things which are so common in girls. So this girl's like okay nga mikwano gye bamubuuza how is Isaac, how is he, and then she was like we separated and girls started laughing. You separated with Isaac? Really? Who knew that you can separate with Isaac? Yelele nga tebatansetema mugamba. Others were so happy because that guy used to give her money. Abalala nga bambi bali sad. Naye most of them were happy. But remember these are her friends. Zinagamba abantu mbagenda kyetono though I love people era sijja bavaako tuli tuti. But olina okumanya nti ono akwagaliza ono takwagaliza ono ali bwati ono akwatibwako obujja okitegeera. You have to know people. Otherwise if you don't know that you'll be killed for nothing. So nabeera mu depression nga tayagala kulaga baana nti alina ekyawonya kuba bamuwa makerenda nga alina okunywa ennyo naye nga ne gayi nga gayi amuteerako emitwalo 5 nga muwa obusente obuteegasa kuba yamulaga nti takyamwetaaga. Kati nga alina obbatolinga ne depression ate the same time abbatolinge ne trauma because it's a trauma. For those people who have ever aborted, it's a trauma that will be on your brain the rest of your life. Simanyi they always say nti when you pray to God Katonda akusonyiwa naye simanyi oba kisobola okwediritinga mu bwongo. I don't really think because the other is an internal trauma kikubeera mu bwongo. So bambi n'abeerawo naye nga alina okuhiding eri nga takyasociatinga mu bantu. So that's the time I met her nga she's really frustrated nga ali very down nga she needs a person to talk to. Nemugamba okay. Nambuulira byonna. I was like okay, it's okay, you're not the first person to do it. It's not good and I'm not supporting it, but you're not the first person to do it and you'll not be the last person to do it. Though I can't support it, but it was really okay. If you had asked me, maybe I would have another opinion, but then you did it already. So there's no need of bringing my opinion as well. You get. First and foremost, nga gaita kyamufaako gaina nga nwamukwera amasimu tayagala kumanya gayi nga ya moving on. That's what I know. ne mugamba, let me tell you something. What I just realized from that story, omuntu yena waba ali mu depression n'omwotya amagezi paka nga ye nyini yegambye mu mutima gwe nagamba, you know what, I think I'm tired of this game, I have to be out. Because I talked to her, mugamba Guy mwesonyiwe, nga even signs ziraga nti Guy takyali interested, because you can't tell me omuwala ayitamu ebyo byonna n'omuleka. Guy takyali interested, but the worst part is here nti omukyala akyali mu love, kyokka Guy yagivaamu dda. Kubanga I sat her down for over like 1 hour ne mugamba, look, Guy ya moving her on dda, though tayagala kuleka. You get? And boys have that tendency. Now breaking her up n'omuntu n'amuleka, at the end of the day ate nga ayagala omukozesa. You want to use that girl. Why do you do those things? If you're tired of someone, why can't you be open? No mugamba, you know what, JJ, I'm done with you. I'm done with you. This person will teach herself to know that it's done with this person. You get? But you're done with the person, you don't want to tell the person, you're just using her, you're wasting her time, and you know very well that she's now in love with you. You get my point? So, netutambula, I know kusoma ebitabo. Just put it in your daily life. You have to read the books. Olimu heartbreak. Not even you have them heartbreak ateri depression. Ningo ino kusoma ebitabo. You understand? So nga ino kusoma ebitabo, ate ino alimu depression. Ate kubanga ya proving everything to this guy namulaga kuba yali amwagala. But it is even really hard for up to now. Omuwala ekizibu kyalina kyagala mu muyambeko, omuwala aganye okuva mu relationship. Like she has tried, many guys have come to vibe her, naye nga yo muntu kikyaganye okumuvinga on okuleka Guy. Era abeerawo sometime nakwata essimu ye namugamba kansibe togenda kubira Isaac. Nakwata essimu namugamba ngenda mukubira Ndabe, ng'omulaba kankana n'okankana. Omanya abantu ababeera mu ezo depression gamba kati kandawo banaagikwata yo no kati mama yanko, ng'olabye that the words that she's speaking, they are really not healthy. You get? But ng'akulaga nti akyali mu relationship, ye akyamwagala. Oshegera oluusi ne yezza nayo after even graduation, ne yezzaayo kuba yanyumiza ne mugamba, why did you do that? Why did you do really what? Ne mugamba, look, the thing is like this. Most of us, we have gone through depression, we have gone through heartbreaks, but then you just need to train yourself. No way you get it, you speak to yourself. No way gamba. It's like kubango inesimu atengo inosoma. It is you to command the phone, not the phone to command you. Or it is you to control the phone, not the phone to control you. There are some things where you know kwe gamba. Shegera. You know kwe gamba. The reason why I'm bringing these stories, womwana obwala aliyo omanye nti career yo nene nnyo okusinga Guy akukwana right now, because you're not pretty sure that that person will take you. You're not pretty sure that you're going to end up in marriage. But then go slow. You get? Relationship. Omuntu waba akwagala likasoka babere mukwano go, maybe, I think. Togenda nnyo. Okitegera. Ate omuntu wagamba it's done. Understand it's done. Because guys, they don't check. Era agenda sigala nga alina omulala gwalina ate nga naawe akyakwagala. Like takwagala mutima gwe naye ng'olwedde oli awo kyakuzanyisa. Would you love to be a toy for someone? Okitegera. So that is the circumstances omwana wa buwala gy'abaddemu. Already alina trauma, ali mu depression, byonna biri ku ye. Ate alina n'okusoma ebitabo. You get? So gwe omwana w'obuwala ali eyo, mweno story oyigamu ki? Waliwo ebintu ebimu bye tukola naye nga bijja tuddira mu future. Okitegera? So as you know, before when you're rushing to go to your boyfriend's hostel or your boyfriend's house, oduka speed. Naye nga tomanyi nti olubuto nalwo gye luli. Ate olufuna lugenda beera hectic. And even people who are visiting hostels, not everyone is trustworthy. Shegera. Don't just go and visit everyone. At least if you're going to visit, be two. Tovisinga buli omu bajja kukola ebintu bingi. There is a story era gye bangambyeko omuwala yali agenda kwata munne. Recent era nayo ngenda gyogerako wano. Omuwala yangambye Gigi talk about this story. You get? So we girls, we are going through hell. Learn how to talk to yourself. Learn how to talk to your inner person. and learn how to be that very learn how to sacrifice. There are some things you find a girl nga tali mu relationship not because tayagala naye there are some things they are sacrificing oba nabeera mu relationship n'omuntu naye nga alaba omuntu gy'amutwala it's not really telling namugamba you know what olina ka speed k'olimu it's okay you can go nze ndi wano eno ojja kunsangawo okitegeera beerako ow'emmizi beerako self love si buli kintu kyonna nti olina okifuna kyotanabafuna it's okay kyofunye gamba mukama neeyanzizza okitegeera ate omuntu agamba nga it's done nakulaga signs move on you get because wona amwesiba kugenda fuka burden gyali ate akukozesa ebisingakawo because I was like I told my friend if you go back there oba I told this girl when you go back there how sure you tutajja kufunisa oluto olulala ate nalwo olujjemu because you're not ready to carry a baby okitegeera so we have to be very vigilant we have to be very careful when you are going into relationships. I'm not saying that you should not be in a relationship. I will be lying. Relationship we're very healthy because in mubaloko lebagamba is it like you have to pass through the mitendera and then you go for marriage. So toso sachiri ate no so sachino. You get sex before marriage. It's bad. So something like that. Or let that person be your friend. Or if you've decided kubanga I've ever seen a girl never dating her, she told us I don't want to cut the word. She told us never dating her like they don't play anything, bedroom affairs, they don't do anything. You understand? And they are okay. And they are really fine until they got married after like 5 years. Yeah, by the way, that girl was both of them they are from UCU, but they are all born again. That is what they told us. I know them, they pray for my church. Era batugamba babadde beekuumye up to that period ne beefumbiriganwa. I think they got married in 2023. Yeah, because actually I think 2022 because their marriage basuka ne bagenda just ne babagatta then emikolo ne bagikola later naye nga church ekimanyi they are really married because they bayogera vows like baswearing on the altar. So mukolo omunene ne bagukola later. So if you have such guys nga bali so patient, bali understandable, they are ready to be your friend, they are ready to care about you, they are ready to move with you this journey, they are ready to be with you. That is really amazing and I will say go ahead. Never nabakutunuza mu mbuga za Setaani. Always. This is what I want omuntu yakakula. Nagamba ekyo kiwala kyakakiwoma. Ekyo kiwala ekyebbina. Ekyo kiwala you understand those vulgar words. Please don't allow because yaba musegu. That person is not really okay. Ate se oli muntu ajja nakukwana omukirize nedda. Bera nakasengeje have a filter osengeje. You get? Omuntu aba ayogera muwe time, listen. Have a listening skill, listen. Mwe byagenda okugamba mojo okujja omubuze ebintu ebimu kubanga abantu abamu beerabira nti balimbi. Nakulimba ekyo nongamba the last time you said ABCD. You get? So I'm not saying that you should not be in a relationship. Relationships are very healthy if at all you have a very good partner. But obanga partner ogolina bibanombo, they want to get married, they want to pregnant you and then abortion and all that, I would not support that. Because ye kyamuyamba n'abeera nga kyali mulamu. Ne waliwo babikola ne batwala obulamu. And life has to move on. Wofa for obulamu bwaffe bulina ogenda mu maaso. Okitegeera. So, and then don't go with the influence. Bino ebiriwo mbuno nze omuwala mulaba leero enkya n'omujjamu biki. It's not every I don't know. Nze kyaka nkyalimu eri enkola enkadde. Okitegeera. Ondabye leero. And then enkya nkuggyemu kiki ekyo. You people should respect the money that your parents have invested in you. Like a guy at least abeereko hunter, muwe obudde okuhuntinga. Okitegeera gambe bana akawala kansumbuwa. Yes, it was worth it. Okitegeera, it was worth it. Naye si kujja akulakwanye leero omwezi ogujja omuwadde. Let it be worth it. Nga naye wanyumya agamba indeed. Okitegeera. Ojja gendera ne ku trend ogambe bene side cheek abantu bambala bukunya nawe otandika okwambala bukunya kubanga people are moving naked mukwano beera ne rules governing bulamu bwo. Have your rules that governs your life. That's how you're going to have a very nice life. And even people, let me tell you something. me I've got very many, not even me, even other people. Osanga omuntu ngali very principled ninga abantu bamwagala nga bwali. People love her. Let me tell you something. People love us the way we are. Cholaga abantu chibajo kwagaliramu. The way you take yourself, the way people are going to take you. Wobalaga nti goli oli keke, hot cake, ayagala ya atwala, ayagala ya sonako, you'll be like that. Wobalaga nti me there's no joke. You have to do what you're supposed to do. And my no means a no. No, not saying no yet you mean yes. Your no means a no. You will see people respecting you in your courts because they will know that girl, she's A, B, C, D. You understand? So put yourself in that, cage. No of nyega nga yamala campus nga akola. Techikugana kuteka ebintu ebimu. Let me tell you something. Oyinza no sula enjala nga toyina mmere. Nenga yo ekitiibwa kyo sigadde weekiri. Ontegera. So you have to have something that you're going to add on yourself. Ontegera bulungi. You add on yourself nogamba no. Wano nedda. Wano sigenda kuyitawo. Wano nedda. Because he loves you, he will do whatever you're telling them to do, but you're making their lives so soft. Omuntu akulabe weekend enkeera mbu akujjamu, come to my hostel. I have these things of movie night. Hey, can I come to your place, to your hostel? I say movie. Movie nights are in halls. You can even download on your phone, on your PC, and then you have the stuff. I don't know why people always say that. I want to come to your hostel to have a movie with you. What the hell is that? Huh? It's not only my hostel that a movie is okay. Huh? Hey, abapia muinofuna uniform wano. Movie at night. I'm coming to see a movie. I'm coming to cook for me. Gwe, canteen ziba zitekawo ku supporting abana Uganda kufuna sente. Gwe noyoza engoye oli ku campus, n'ofumba emmere, n'okola ki. Nosanga ddala ng'omuntu alina waliwo n'abaana ku campus naye n'abasajja balimba. Nosanga gali ng'alina empeta ku mukono naye agamba me I'm protecting myself from girls. That's why I have this ring. And when we speak that you have a girlfriend who's nze nabavaako when it comes to bulimba. So omwana ali eyo agenda joining a campus n'abafulumye n'abakyaliyo. Your life is very important. Kubanga n'omusajja agenda okuwasa ayagala kusange nga you're very healthy, oli mulamu. Era ajja kwebaza agambe thank you for keeping yourself. Buli wona bane rules governs your life. Bijja kuyamba nnyo okwetangira ebintu ebisinga, trends ezisinga. Twambala throw on naawe oteekako. Tugenda munyegenyege tugende eno tugenda wa tugenda Tanzania bayitayo batyeyo ku kazinga tugende ebintu ebimu. Kale oba ogenze prepare, have something ogambe I think in December I'll go and do my birthday in this such and such a place. It's already on your schedule. You get si oli kukubako bukubi program n'ogamba let's go. Ogamba go toyina program otambula terms. Shegera Ndalo yomuwala gwe bagamba yeepanga, it's okay. Naye waliwo abamu abajja omwagalirayo. Yeah, there are some girls who want principled girls or women nga bali principled kubanga ajja kuwa trust. Agambe bw'abanga yankola bwati nze omufuna omuwininga. Then how about abasajja abalala banamukwana nga siriwo? So that man will respect you for that. And even guys, most of the abasajja abali very developmental bagala abawala abali challenging. Si kuteekawo kwala bwazingalo. Ensonga lwaki osanga some guys nga kimanyi gwe tajja nakwogera nawe agenda teeka mputesi sente buli kimu kiwe nga kiwedde naye sometimes you have to sacrifice. Hey, abaana abapya bavuuka bategula, bashuga dadi bategula, abaana bategula. So ojanga ozze n'amaalogo ng'oli mu university excitement ajjaga kamalamu. Ate sagala bagakumalemu bubi kuba bayinza okugakumalamu n'olubuto, bayinza okugakumalamu ne HIV, bayinza kubanga nnaku zino osanga omuntu ng'ali very okay naye ng'alina HIV, ng'ali ku medicine, ng'ali ku ddagala. Bajja gakumalamu n'endwadde nkyamu. So si kye nandibadde njagala obeere. Amanya gange yenze mu mbejjajjejje kati oli awo ogamba banaye omuwala nga tuli bulala. Si bali bulala naye ebintu ebimu byerekereze. si kye bagamba omutwe ng'otwala mbu I want to be with very many friends. Si buli kimu olina okubeera ng'olinako bu boundaries. And I'm not saying nti obeere weerage nedda, everyone is your friend, yogera nabo, naye ng'olina principles that governs your life. Nti ono tayita wano, ono ta exceedinga wano, ono takola what ne what. That's how you're going to enjoy your life. Even your friends will know that ono wano okitegeera. How much your party naba party nga balina limits zaabwe, togenda tomala gagaba tukana genda okitegeera. Nga ogenda mu maka g'omuntu tomala gayingira mu ddiiro n'ogenda mu kisenge n'ogenda okitegeera. You ask. So waliwo ebintu bye tuba tukozesa okugavaninga obulamu bwaffe. Kigenda kutuyamba nnyo okulaba nti generation gye tulimu ekyuka, because they say we are the generation, we are the leaders of tomorrow. So we have to train ourselves today. Inze sigadde nze mu Mbejja Jeje Youth Connect Uganda, stories zichaja and more interviews, because we always say from the horse's mouth. You might say maybe alimba, but other guests are going to be broadcasted here. Bagenda kuba batunyumiza nabo stories zaabwe, and I know you as a person, you learn from them. Thank you so much. See you then. Bye bye.